Hello everyone, I have a great news to share with you. Finally, my book is printed and available in the major library worldwide. I already anticipated, this is Ansible for VMware by example. And as you can see, is not so big, is 200 pages, but there is plenty of value on it. Basically, I share with you everything from installing Ansible, configuring, and the more or less half of the book is about the Ansible language and how it evolved in these years. It's updated to the latest releases of Ansible, so everything is fully tested and is working pretty well. The other half of the book is specifically about the VMware infrastructure, how you can automate with infrastructure as a code and specifically with Ansible. I really like how my editor, Apress, was able to deliver all this content, and this book smells amazing. This is just freshly printed, and as you can see, this is one of the first copies available. All the code is available inside the book. You can see some preview in some online store, so don't worry. It's nearly 200 pages and there is so much value in it. I believe that this will be a great guide for a colleague of you, some friend, or some early starter in IT career, because Ansible is an infrastructure automation tool that is going to last and is actually very interesting nowadays. So if somebody want to improve a skill, especially in this moment of the market where there is a lot of uncertainty, I think this book will be very valuable for you. Take a look on your favorite bookstore and let me know if you like. I'm looking forward for your feedback. I try to deliver so much value and all my knowledge on it. I also team up with a great technical reviewer, one guy that started from the beginning of Ansible, and I'm so happy and proud about the final result. So there is what there is inside. There is a lot of technical things, a lot of code, and I know that all engineers like this stuff. So there is a lot of meaty part, and everything is by example. Let me give you some. For example, how to create or delete a snapshot, everything by code, and how to move a virtual machine from one server to another. And what else? Also, how to detect the UUID, how to upgrade the VMware tools, and there is a lot of other things. Get ready, and I hope you gonna like it. Have a good day, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Cheers. Have a great automation day. And let's automate more with Ansible Pilot. Cheers.